I'm being a little African Oxpecker bird today. It's pretty lonely out here. I wish I could find someone to be my friend.
Today I'm being a hippo. A very itchy hippo. I've got an itch on my back, and it's right in the middle, where it's hard to reach. I wish I could find somebody to scratch my back. It's fun to be a hippo. Nothing else can ever match it, except when I get itchy. I wish I had a friend to scratch it, sharing stories, having fun. Two will always be better than one.
Hey, that sounds like someone else singing with a really low voice.
Sharing stories, having fun. Two will always be better than one. Better than one.
I think it's coming from over there. I fly from tree to tree, always busy, no time to rest.
What a
Except
sweet
when
high
I get
voice.
lonely, to find a friend that would be best. Oh, hello there, big hippo.
Hello there, little bird.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Well, I've got such an itchy back, I've been trying to find someone to scratch it for me. What are you doing?
Oh, well, I was just flitting about, but I was getting a bit lonely. I was kind of hoping to find a friend to keep me company.
All right. Good luck then.
All right, see ya. Pete, wait! Wait a minute, I've got an idea.
What is it?
Well, maybe we could help each other out. I could scratch your itch with my long pointy beak.
Oh, yes, and I can keep you company.
Let's give it a try. There, now is that itch over here?
A bit lower.
Oh,
And then a bit higher. Oh, yes. That's the perfect spot. Thank you.
not a problem. That's what friends are for, right?
Right.
You know, it's funny. I'm really small. We're so different.
Yes. And I'm very big, and I have a deep voice.
Oh, and I have a really high voice. But you know, together we make a great team.
We sure do. Oh, can you scratch behind my ear again, please?
Peep, peep. Peep, peep.
Oh, God. We're different as can be.
Different as can be.
High and low, big and small. But with you and me.
You and me.
Together now we've got it all. Sharing stories, having fun. Two will always be better than one.
We're a perfect team.
Better than one.
Perfect in every way.
Yeah, we're a perfect team.